Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will do comprehension passages. Now what is comprehension? A comprehension is a passage which was never read before by the students. It shows the ability of the students to solving the given questions. Comprehension क्या होते हैं? जो स्टूडेंट्स ने पढ़े नहीं होते हैं और ये एबिलिटी शो करते हैं उसकी कि किस तरीके से वो पैसेज को पढ़ के क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करते हैं. Now points to be remembered. To solve a comprehension, students should be remember the following points. Read the passage carefully. Vocabulary should be good. Don't use verb in writing a title. Title should be brief but complete. Try to find out the correct answers of the given questions. Now comprehension 1. Once upon a time, a boy went to see a railway bridge. On reaching there, he saw that the bridge had caught fire and the train was coming. That brave boy stretched the both of his arms like an arrow to the side from which the train was coming. जब उसने देखा कि ट्रेन आ रही है और उसमें आग लग गई है तो उसने अपने दोनों हाथ एरो की तरह से फैला दिए. The train was running at its full speed. The driver sighted the boy from far and whistled so that the boy might escape and give way. उसने क्या कहा था? जो ट्रेन चला रहा था उसने देख लिया था तो उसने क्या करा? उसने विसल दे दी थी जिससे कि बच्चा वहां से चला जाए. But the boy went on running. With his hand, he signaled to stop the train, but the driver could follow nothing. In the meantime, the boy was hit and was shattered into pieces, but the people saw that the bridge was on fire. Then the driver and the passengers came to know why the brave boy had sacrificed his life. ड्राइवर उसको फॉलो नहीं कर पाया, बच्चा हिट हो गया और जब वो हिट हो गया तब लोगों को समझ में आया कि आग लगने की वजह से जो है वो ऐसा कर रहा था और बच्चे की जान चली गई थी. Now questions you have to do by yourselves. Now comprehension check 2. In the olden times, a king named Vikramaditya ruled over our country. He was a very just king. People praised him for his justice till today. One day, some boys of the village were playing in a nearby jungle. There they saw a mound of earth. It was covered with a stone. क्या देखा उन्होंने? कि वहाँ पर एक माउंड था और वो स्टोन से कवर्ड था. He said, Friends, I have now become Vikramaditya. You can bring your cases to me. Let us have a trial of the cases and I shall make judgment. उसने क्या कहा बच्चे ने कि मैं अब विक्रमादित्य बन गया हूँ, मेरे पास केस लाओ, मैं उनका जजमेंट दूंगा. Hearing this, all his friends were surprised and the news of his decision spread far and wide. जब उसकी ये बातें सुनी तो सारे लोग सरप्राइज हो गए थे और ये न्यूज़ जो है सब जगह फैल चुकी थी. Every person was satisfied with the decisions of that boy. When that mound was dug, people came to know that it was really the seat of King Vikramaditya. उसके जजमेंट से सब लोग बहुत खुश थे और जब उसको खोदा गया तो लोगों ने क्या देखा कि वहाँ पर सचमुच विक्रमादित्य की सीट थी. Now questions you have to do by yourselves. Comprehension check 3. Once a lion was fast asleep in the shade of a tree. He had wandered here and there in search of prey. So he was tired very much. शिकार की उसमें जो है वो जगह जगह घूमा था तो बहुत थक गया था. A rat came out of his hole and began to run over the body of the lion. At this, lion's sleep was disturbed and he became very angry. क्या हुआ? चूहा होल से बाहर आया और उसके ऊपर कूदने लगा तो उसको बड़ा गुस्सा आया. He caught the rat in his paws and said, Tell me, why you have awakened me? उसने गुस्से में पकड़ा और क्या बोला? मुझे बताओ तुमने मुझे क्यों उठाया? I will kill you. The poor rat began to tremble with fear. कांपने लगा डर से. He said to the lion, If you let me go alive, I may be of some helpful to you. उसने क्या रिक्वेस्ट कर रही थी? अगर मुझे छोड़ दोगे तो मैं तुम्हारी काम आ सकता हूँ, तुम्हारी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. God willing, I will repay the debt of this act of kindness. The lion laughed at it and freed the cat. The lion laughed at it and freed the rat. A few days later, the lion was trapped in a net. He tried his best to come out of the net, but in vain. जब नेट में फंस गया कुछ दिनों बाद वो, तो क्या हुआ, वो उससे बाहर निकलने की कोशिश की लेकिन निकल नहीं पाया. When the rat came to know of it, he went there. He nibbled the net with his sharp teeth and freed the lion. क्या करा उसके बाद उसने, चूहा आया, उसने उसको काटा नेट को और इस तरीके से उसने शेर को फ्री कर दिया. Now questions you have to do by yourselves. Now comprehension check 4. A jackal accidentally fell into a pit which was full of blue color. When he saw himself, he found that his body turned completely blue. He thought that now nobody could guess that he was a jackal. He was very shameful to think that all the animals would laugh at him. जब वो उसमें गिर गया ब्लू कलर में तो वो पूरा नीला हो गया था. अब उसको लगा कि शायद कोई उसको पहचानेगा नहीं, उसको बहुत शर्म आ रही थी. सो ही मेड अ प्लान. नाउ ही वॉक्ड स्लोली सिंगिंग सॉन्ग्स टू द forest. When he reached there, the animals inquired him who he was. जब वो गाना गाता हुआ गया तो एनिमल्स ने पूछना शुरू किया कि ये कौन था. He answered, I am a blue king and I belong to an old and royal family of the animals. He said that he would live in the forest forever and he kept a condition that all jackals should leave the jungle. Hearing this news, jackals were upset but he was very cheerful. उसने क्या कहा कि वो किंग है और सारे jackals को जंगल को छोड़ना पड़ेगा. और जो jackals थे उन्होंने जंगल छोड़ दिया और जो वो था jackal ब्लू कलर में वो बहुत खुश था. In this way, he lived a long life comfortably in the forest. I hope all these are clear to you. Now it's time to revise. You can revise it.